Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to White Rock, a charming seaside city in British Columbia. Nestled along the shores of Semiahmoo Bay, White Rock is surrounded on three sides by the city of Surrey and is part of the Metro Vancouver Regional District. This picturesque community is known for its stunning waterfront, moderate climate, and vibrant art scene. One of the most iconic landmarks in White Rock is the large white boulder located on the beach near the promenade. This 486-ton granite rock, known simply as the White Rock, has been a beacon for sailors since the 19th century. Today, the city maintains its bright appearance with regular applications of white paint. Another notable attraction is the White Rock Pier, which extends into Semiahmoo Bay. This historic pier offers visitors a perfect spot for leisurely strolls, fishing, and enjoying panoramic views of the bay and surrounding areas. Whether you're exploring the historic pier, attending a local festival, or simply enjoying the coastal views, White Rock offers a delightful experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching!